In this situation here, there's nothing wrong with using the Desmos graphing calculator to plug in each of these pairs of equations and looking to see which of them would match the graph that we're being given. And there is only one that really would do that. But let's go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way. Both of these lines pass through 8, 0. The top one also seems to pass through 3, 4. But the bottom one seems to be passing through 3, 2. So we can use the point slope formula y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 to find the equation of both of these lines. So for the bottom one, we'll start with the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And the points we're using are the 3, 2 and the 8, 0 that both points have. So if we put that into the slope formula, we'll have slope is 0 minus 2 over 8 minus 3, which is negative 2 over 5. Now we'll plug into the y minus y1 formula, and let's pick the easier point, which is the 8, 0. So y minus 0 is negative 2 over 5, x minus 8. From here, in my opinion, the easiest thing to do next is to multiply both sides by 5. So 5y equals, and on the right-hand side, this 5 cancels with this 5, leaving you with negative 2, x minus 8. Distribute that. 5y is negative 2x plus 16. And add 2x to both sides. 2x plus 5y equals 16. Now that is equivalent to this one right here. 2x plus 5y is 16. If you multiply all three of those things by 2, you'll get 4x plus 10y is 32. So we kind of already know the answer is D, but let's follow through and get the equation of the other line just to demonstrate it. So the slope for that one, now by the way, that top line is passing through 3, 4 and 8, 0. So the slope will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and you'll get negative 4 over 5. Now we'll plug in the point 8, 0. You want to always choose the easiest point to plug in. So y minus 0 is negative 4 over 5, x minus 8. Now we can distribute the 4/5. So y equals negative 4/5 x plus 32 over 5. Multiply both sides by 5. 5y is negative 4x plus 32. And add 4x to both sides. 4x plus 5y equals 32. So we have 4x plus 5y equals 32. And that's equivalent to this one right here. If we multiply each piece of that by negative 2, we'd have negative 8x minus 10y and negative 64. So the two lines are both represented right here. This is equivalent to this one, just multiplying both sides by negative 2. And this is equivalent to this one, multiplying both sides by positive 2. So our answer here is D.